What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on ATER ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis what to expect next from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that I'm more bearish than bullish on this ticker. And for now we have very good bounce from this level. And let me show you this line right here. If I connect all the bottoms of this price action, we have strong trend line. So every time when we have this price action, we have a pivot point, it is time to make some analysis and it is time to revise all the news that might affect the price of this ticker. So I will share my thoughts on next potential movement and the exact setup in just several minutes, but for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. So let's start with the company profile. Aterian, together with its subsidiaries, operates as a technology-enabled consumer products company in North America and internationally. It provides Artificial Intelligence Mohawk e-commerce engine, a software technology platform which uses machine learning, natural language processing and data analytics to design, develop, market and sell products. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $576.11 million. They have a revenue of $216.6 million with a negative net income of $164.02 million. They have a rather good revenue growth of 42.81% and their total cash is $61.93 million and their total debt is $82.75 million according to this data. But we all know that for now this number is significantly lower and it is about 26, if I remember it correct, $26 million. And that's why this company slightly improves its position and its fundamentals. And this might be a good sign, but it is not enough for the long-term investment in this company, in my opinion. So let's continue with the short interest. Right here on fintel.io we have 100,000 shares available for shorting. We have a huge short borrow fee rate of 86.16% and the total short volume ratio is 52.65%. So this ticker still has a good chances to short squeeze, but you have to be cautious. High volatility implies high rewards and high risks. Let me show you right here. This article was published just 7 hours ago and it's titled Short Squeeze Stocks. ATER, MRIN and 3 other experts think are ready to pop. And let me show you this. Right here we have the list of potentially the most probable stocks that might short squeeze their short interest. And on the first position on this list we have ATER Stock. And let me quote it for you. Aterian has moved up to the top spot in Fintel's rankings this week. The company's borrow fee rate dropped to 88% from 100% last week, staying extremely high. Similarly, short interest in this stock remains sky high at 37%. And this data is based on Fintel's short squeeze leaderboard, and here it is. As you can see, ATER ticker has the short squeeze score of 97.16, and for now its short interest according to this data is 28.41%. So I think it's quite a good contender to be short squeezed, but we have to be cautious. Let me show you one more information that might be very interesting for you. Right here we are on Google Trends, as you can see, and these charts represent several tickers that I covered right here: ATER, BBIG, SDC, GOEV and CLNE. And it is a worldwide interest. Basically it is a interest over time related to these tickers. And during past 7 days we have BBIG on the first place. Next one we have ATER ticker and SDC ticker, and during last several hours we have a slight decline in interest to these tickers, but it is totally okay, because for now, at the time when I'm recording this video, there is a night time in the United States. So that's why we have this lower interest for all of these tickers. And as you can see, it is still remain very high, and it has a good possibility to rise even higher from these levels, and that's why we have a possibility to short squeeze this ticker. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, when I made my previous video, a lot of comments on the comment section was with the huge negative sentiment about my analysis. And guys, don't get me wrong, I don't want to encourage anybody to enter the position or leave the position. I just show you the situation as I see it. And my main approach is to react on the situation rather than predict it. And I don't want to encourage anybody to YOLO certain stock because in my opinion it will hit $100 or $200 or $1,000 no matter how high it will go. I just want to show you the exact technical analysis and the probable setups for the stock that in my opinion might be the most probable in the upcoming sessions. So that is why, as you can see, I drew this line and it worked perfectly well so far, and we have a point of control that might be the crucial point for this ticker. So overall, I'm still quite bearish on this stock, and that's why you have to be cautious. But we have two main points of control, and it's quite close to our current price. We have about 4% to this previous bottom, and if we will break it, definitely we should break this support line. And if we will break next level at around $11, this will be a major red flag that will show us that we are bearish and we can continue to move south. And that's why for now we have a rather good possibility to bounce from this level and to make some juicy profits. Let me show you what I see as a pattern. If I clean the chart a little bit, let me show you that right here we have basically the same pattern. Right after this surge to the upside, we have this movement to the downside, and then we have rise to this top. Then we have again decline, and exactly the same. As you can see, this pattern, let me show it to you right here. This pattern is exactly the same as this one. So let me clean again this one and this one, and we have a huge movement to the downside right after it reached its peak, and right here we have the same situation. Then consolidation, again consolidation, movement to the upside with the volume that is higher than it was previously, again movement to the upside with the volume that is higher than it was previously, and we might see the trend continuation, especially if we will take a look, I don't need these two anymore, especially if we will take a look on this support line, and from this line we might go higher. So let me show you what is the potential target for this price movement. I think we might have this line, the second line right here, as a potential resistance, and as you can see we are forming some kind of triangle. I'm not a big fan of these shapes because it is just a general shape, but still for now we have very good bounce from this support line, and technically if we will have a bounce from this level, it will confirm this trend line, and from this point we might have a trend reversal. So potential movement to the upside might be up to 46-45%, and the downside is only 10%. So we have risk to reward ratio more than 4:1, and this might be a very good risk to reward ratio, but still, if we will break this support line and then we will break this range of $11.24, this means we might see lower targets, and this means, in my opinion, you have to get rid of your position. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!